back again with another banger. Cause I'm the greatest entertainer, slicing up windows from left to right. Get yourself a wag to avoid those heights. I'm cleaning up the breeze, yeah, every last speckle. You best not call me Hyde or Jekyll, I'm a mastermind, like Frankenstein. I wake up cleaning windows day or night all the time. You clean what's yours and I'll clean what's mine. I move too fast, I make sharp turns. I move too fast, I make the squeegee rubber burn. Seen you on a bus without no fuss. You play with me, you find the squeegee up your butt. Scratch that, I'm L. Ron Hubbard. I gotta slow down before I burn that rubber. Some say, why you move too fast? Stand 6 feet apart, I'ma squeegee that ass. Some say, why you move too fast? Stand 6 feet apart, I'ma squeegee that ass. Cleaning windows, you know that's the style. Put a circle on the glass and make it crack a smile. A hustle and bustle, and you don't wanna tussle. I'm M.A.W, I know what's up with you. You think you're the best? Flood the window so much you need a life vest. I just finished work, go home to get to sleeping. If you come back tomorrow, we'll get defeated. I'm damn good, I'm that goat. Send you upstream, I'm a lame ass boat. Way out to sea, you ain't faster than me. I move real fast like a cat climb trees. You say, why you move too fast? Stand 6 feet apart, I'ma squeegee that ass. Some say, you ain't faster than me. Stand 6 feet apart, I'ma squeegee that ass. Some say, you ain't faster than me. Stand 6 feet apart, I'ma squeegee that ass. Some say, why you move too fast? Stand 6 feet apart, I'ma squeegee that ass. Say out to see, you ain't faster than me. I'ma squeegee that ass. Say out to see, you ain't faster than me. I'ma squeegee that ass. Say out to see, you ain't faster than me. Say out to see, you ain't faster than me.